Today, we begin a gentle journey, a meditation crafted just for beginners. No experience needed, just a few peaceful moments to breathe, to relax, to be. Find a comfortable seat or lie down. Close your eyes and let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Feel the air as it enters and leaves your body. Let your shoulders drop, unclench your jaw, relax your hands, your feet, your entire body. Now, bring your attention to the rhythm of your breath. No need to change it, just observe. Each inhale, a wave arriving. Each exhale, a wave returning to the sea. If your mind wanders, it's okay. That's what minds do. Gently bring your focus back to your breath. Let your thoughts pass by like clouds in the sky. You don't have to chase them. Just notice and let them drift. Now, bring your attention to your body. Notice any sensations, tension, warmth, stillness. Simply observe without judgment. You are becoming aware of the present moment. Now, bring your attention to your body. Notice any sensations, tension, warmth, stillness. Simply observe without judgment. You are becoming aware of the present moment. Imagine you're sitting at the edge of a quiet forest. Golden light filters through the trees. The air is pure. Each breath fills you with peace. Each exhale releases the noise of the world. You are safe here. You are still. You are enough. In the quiet of this sacred forest, time slows down. You feel the heartbeat of nature echo within you. Steady, ancient, wise. A soft breeze brushes against your skin, like a gentle reminder from the universe. You are part of something greater. You are guided, you are supported, and you are exactly where you need to be. You are not your thoughts. You are the awareness beneath them. Each breath draws you closer to the present moment, the only place where peace truly lives. Right now, there's nothing to fix, nothing to chase, nothing to fear. Here, in this stillness, you remember who you are, calm, grounded, whole. Take one final deep breath in. Hold it for a moment and exhale slowly. You've just completed your first meditation. Welcome to your inner world. Welcome to the beginning of your voyage. Thank you for meditating with us today. This is Guided Meditation Voyage, your safe space for stillness and peace.